Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the neon blade video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So in this video trend, you can create a cool video with 13 media using photo and videos. As you can see, it gives a neon effect on your video. So let me show you how to create this. So first, you want to open up your TikTok app. Next, you want to tap on search here at the top right. You want to search for Neon Blade Capcut. Now go ahead and tap on any of the videos that comes up in the search results. You want to scroll down, and here this is the type of video which you're looking for. So browse these videos, and what you're looking for is a Capcut icon here at the bottom left. So as you can see, we can see it here. Once you see that Capcut icon, you want to go ahead and tap on it. This will now take you into Capcut's template page, and this will show you what this template can create you. So if you want to use this template, go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up your Capcut application. If you don't have Capcut, you can download it from the Play Store or the App Store. It is completely free. So now Capcut will show you what exactly you're creating. Go ahead and tap on Use Template at the bottom right. Now on this screen, you want to select 12 media of yourself. It can be photos or videos. So I'll go ahead and select 12. Okay. Once you've selected it, go ahead and tap on Preview. This will now give you a preview of the video. Now once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Add Sound in TikTok at the top right. This will export the video and will take it to TikTok. Now go ahead and preview the video, and as you can see, it has also added the sound. Now once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Next, and then post it on TikTok. So that is how to create the Neon Blade video trend on TikTok. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.